The login element allows visitors to access protected content and member-only areas on your website. In this guide, you will learn how to add, customize, and manage user access using the login element in WebWave. First, let's add the login element. Open the Add Elements panel. Select Login Element and click to place it on your website. Now, let's customize it. The login element looks like a button, but it has two states, logged in and logged out. Select each state to customize its appearance. Next, let's secure specific pages so that only logged-in users can access them. Select the subpage you want to restrict. Go to the Settings panel, click on the Subpage tab, and open Publication Settings. Choose the Logged In Only option. Now, the page is protected. Finally, let's create user accounts and manage registrations manually. Go to your Webmaster panel and find your website. Click More Options, then select CMS Users. This will open the User Management panel. Here, you can view all registered users or manually create new accounts. To add a user, enter a username and password, assign a role, and then click Add User. You can also allow visitors to register themselves easily. Simply enable user registration in the Login Element settings within the Settings panel. Always test the Login Element and Access settings. Publish your website, log in with test credentials, and check if protected content displays correctly. That's how you can use the Login Element in WebWave to create secure content for specific users. Enhance visitor experience and effectively protect your content.